Okay, so for this one, you're going to start with a 150-meter row. So you strap your feet into the rower. You can adjust the foot pedals if the straps don't fit nicely over your toes. But for the rower, you start with the seat as close as you can. Your heels can come up, that's okay. Push your legs straight and then finish with the bar on your chest. So try to get a good push every time. Finish with the bar on your chest. You can take your time coming back and then get another good push. You want to wait until your legs are straight before the elbows bend, but you want to try to go smoothly from this into this. And then the other thing to think about is just keeping the knees on the outside half of the toes, on the outside half of the foot again. Just try not to let your knees come together. Keep your knees apart in line with your feet and your hips. Then you're going to come over and do a landmine press. So you're going to hold the end of a dumbbell here. The arm that's pressing, that foot is back. And then you're going to press your elbow all the way straight. The end of the dumbbell should be right in front of the shoulder. And get your elbow all the way straight. You can shift your weight forward a little bit too. That's all right. If you want to coordinate your breathing, take a breath in. And then you're blowing out as you straighten your hand. The long dumbbells are 45 pounds. The slightly shorter ones are 35. And then the silver ones are 15. If you want to add a little bit of weight to that, you sure can. But we're doing that, and then we're doing, let's move this out of the way, mountain climbers. So the way I would suggest to do that is to grab a box, or you could grab a bench, or you could put the barbell on the rig too. But you're going to hold on to that, and then you're going to start with one foot forward, the other foot back, and you're going to either step back and forth, or hop back and forth. And you're going to do 12 of those. So 1, 2, 3 to 12. So doing it on the hands on the floor would be the hardest way, but right now I would suggest using a bench or a box or the barbell on the rig.